Taste testing is a couple interesting stuff. It's still the 10th of July though. I'm taste testing Care Bears, Sour Grumpy Bears, which has Warhead Sour, Blue Raspberry, and it looks like a bear shape. And on the back it just, like Warheads, Grumpy Bear is sour to the core. Warheads. They're open. I just wanted to look what it looked like, plus wanted to taste it. The Cloud Co. and Entertainment. That's Care Bears. And discover apps, activity games, and videos at carebears.com. Alright, that's them. Then I found these. I really don't care for Takis unless it's extreme nachos, non-spicy. Does that make sense? But these are tacos Cobra. How about a bite? Okay. What they are, it says on the back. What does it say? I read it. Worcestershire artificial flavored tortilla chips, otherwise W sauce. A lot of people call it that, but I call Worcestershire. But it's good. But the only problem is it has a hint of lime in it. It doesn't say lime on the whole package until you read the ingredients. 150, 12 pieces. I can't even eat more than one of them, one or two of them. But here's what they look like. They're red inside of them, and they weren't kidding in saying these are blue. They're really blue. I don't know if you can see them or not. I'll take it out. Blue. Since I have it out, I'm gonna try them. They are sour. They have the blue raspberry taste to it. Do you know why they call it blue raspberry? The raspberries are usually red or black, and the color is mixed. The color mixed in. The red was mixed in with the cherry. The blueberry. The color black was mixed in with blackberry or blueberries. I don't know why this is not blueberry, but blue raspberry. Alright. I had one of them. And I need to swallow this first. They're real good, that's why I'm having a tough time swallowing them. In fact, I took it out. Put it on a plate I have nearby. I have a palate cleanser, cold water. Alright, now let's try these. I'm going to do one at first. Teriyaki taste is there, but that lime makes it sour. And it's not like the blue or the the other flavor, but it's still sour. You have this together, since I still have one, and I still have that blueberry. I'm just going to put them both together. I don't know. Weird taste. Takes the lime taste out though. and get the blueberry taste in it. Not the blueberry, but the blue raspberry taste in it. Alright. Well, before you eat any more of the blue raspberry stuff, I'll leave you guys go on this. The Grumpy Bear, sour Grumpy Bears. I'll give it, you get them at the Dollar General. I'll give it a, I'll give it a 7. The Takis, since they still had the lime in it, I was hoping it would taste like Worcestershire and a little spice, but I wasn't with the lime. That drops it. Even below that 7, even below the 6, even below a 5, it brings it down to a 4. They need to take the lime out of the Takis. That's me. I don't know if you have that opinion or not, but that's me. And putting them both together, that brings it up a little bit, up to maybe a 5.5. Because it takes the lime out. The lime's still there. I don't know why they want lime in Takis. I mean, the extreme nachos don't have lime in it, and I could eat them all day. Alright, well, I'm going to leave you go on this, and I'm hoping you guys all have a good day.